Today we're here at Kenockee Township in Avoca for their side-by-side poker run fundraiser to support the firefighters.
Today's event is we host fundraisers a couple times of the year to raise money for the Kenockee Fire Department and the firefighters, just so we have the extra money in case something may come up that we need to replace equipment. I just hope everyone has a safe and good ride today, and just thank you all for your support during our events.
Today what we're going to be doing, we're going to stop at some routes. We're going to do like a poker hand, and we have a whole bunch of raffles around here, super cool raffles. We got a lot of donations this year. It's really awesome. A lot of people came through and did a really great job donating and collecting donations, so kudos to them. And we have free prizes up there, our grand prizes. We have kayaks, a smoker, and we have cornhole boards as well.
We have a Facebook page, Kenockee Firemen's Fund on Facebook, and we also will post flyers around for each event.
I just want to thank everybody who made this happen, everybody who spent so much of their time and so much of their energy and their emotional energy running around, collecting donations, asking for donations, and everybody who's setting up today, and just everybody who's coming out to support our firefighters, to support our community. It's really great. It's really great to see. It's a really good thing.
Well, this event's been going on now for a couple years, but as far as the event goes, we like to see it keep on going on and on and on, because it does bring in a lot of revenue for the fire department. Volunteering is an important part of our township. Without volunteers, the events would never happen. So we cherish those people.
They can make a check to the Kenockee Firemen's Fund, and they can give donations for future events.
If you'd like to support the firefighters of Kenockee, this is a great event to start with. With Thumbcoast TV, I'm Marissa Richmond.